Characterized by its nature-influenced facade, Villa Saitan in Kyoto by Eastern Design Office is a collective housing composed of 11 units. Resembling cutouts of leaves, a trunk, root and bulbs, the complexes have been completely hidden from the exterior, resulting in the structure looking like one single entity. Constructed using concrete, the facade attributes to the play of light, producing interesting shadows and efficiently filters natural light into the windows arranged behind. Totaling at an area of 16 meters by 19 meters. The project is a response to low-cost collective house project based in a quiet but dense area. The exterior is constructed using concrete due to the form of the building itself being curved. There is a natural distortion where the holes are twisted, referencing the organic shape of nature. The entrance to the complex is also through one of the holes where an inner pathway connects and runs through the building to adjacent streets.